Ryan, come here. Come here, let's go out in the snow. Is it too cold? Come on.
No.
Come on. Come on out here. Phew, it's too cold. You're a little August baby.
Do.
No, that's a window, not a dough.
Good do.
That's a dough. Truck. Truck? Come on, let's come out in the snow. Come here. Why not?
No.
No.